Here we have a 12-gallon BioCube, a couple of clownfish, and got some really neat corals in there going on. Got like some grass coral back there. Got an anemone purple tip. This is from around Pickle Reef, right around there somewhere. We were down in Tavernier, down a little past Key Largo, and we were snorkeling out there and picked up some small pieces of plants, glued them onto a small piece of live rock, got those in there. Got some green plants in the back which I harvest for my tangs to eat, some snails, a bunch of cleaners, but this tank's doing really well. Got a lot of purple coralline algae, and these fish seem to be pretty happy. So, and also some, just I guess zoanthropes, I think they're called. Some different colors. Got mushrooms going on there. Got some shrimp in there too, but they don't really come out unless we feed them. So here's the 12-gallon, and we'll zoom over and pan out to the 46 bow front. So we have a firefox, looks like a powder blue tang. We've got the, call him black boy, the little one with the polka dots on him. In here you'll see we got some neat frog spawn, some other different caps here, and then different kinds here. Threw some of that harvesting green plant for the tang to eat. Got some mushrooms, picked up a nice red sponge, that was pretty cool. We got some filter feeders right here. At night they puff out. Also some zinnia, I guess pulsating zinnia. Got a nice piece of fire rock. Also picked up a piece of coral back there. Got a piece back here which has like 3 different kinds growing on it right now, which is pretty cool. Got that one back there. This tank's doing well. It's got its ups and downs. Some days I just have to make sure I'm on the water changes. Here's another piece of that bubble frog spawn here. Nice big piece. I mean, when I got this thing it was in dire shape. So that's looking pretty good. And then I got a sponge sitting right up here, finally attached to the rock. So I'll pan out. So there's the 46 bow front. Just a regular wet dry system for that. These guys seem to be pretty happy. And I got my lone little goby friend. See if I can find him for you. Oh, he doesn't seem to be around. Oh, there he is. There he is. He's just hanging out. This guy gets beat up by the pistol shrimp all the time. And then we have like a, I don't know, some kind of cardinal. He's pretty cool. He gets attacked by that black damsel, which I'm gonna get rid of him one day if he keeps it up. And then we have a nice little friendly, where'd he go? It's a red line, 6-line rasp. He's really cool. He goes up to the tang and he picks the parasites from him and all. So, but the tang boy, that's what I call him. He's pretty friendly. He'll come up to you. He gets occasional parasites. So, but he's doing pretty good. So then I'm going to pan on over here, and I'll show you. This is the first tank I started out with, just a 30-gallon tank. Had a few pieces of live rock in it. I've just added to it little by little. So you can see here I've got some mushrooms, and then some more of those, I guess caps you call them? I'm not too sure. Got a little prism skimmer on there, keeps it clean. This piece right here in the middle, this kind of tree, we just picked up down in, when we were diving with Diver Tom. That's pretty cool. And also there's like a, I got like this, I just call it grass. It just grows on there. It was getting, took a beating for a little while. I think something was eating it, but came back. Also, we've got like this green spaghetti grass. I leave it on in there. It's got a lot of little critters that live in there, and it kind of sort of does everything, keeps things clean. So That's one side. Here's the other side of what it looks like. Good purple line coral algae going. We've got a yellow tang, blue damsel, striped white damsel over there. And then also we have this, I guess like this ruby clown. He gets along with everybody. I wouldn't mess with him because he's got like a spike on the side of his face. And, oh, what are you doing there? Now they're waiting to be fed. So, we've got a friendly community of fish right here. Those are cool. And so then, I know I've got too many tanks. So, I'll walk you out into the garage here, and I'm getting too many pieces broken off, so I've got another 30 here, which I've inherited this rock from someone that was getting rid of their tank, and I just couldn't see it go to waste. And so I've started a small little frag farm from everything that's fallen off. And then I also got some of these here, these plugs, and I've just basically glued on all little pieces. Pretty easy to do. Gel super glue, take them off, dry them off. You don't have to dry it, you can leave it a little wet, damp I say, because the CA glue, which is super glue, just bonds right to it, and you get a really good grab within like maybe 30 seconds or so. So we got a piece of live rock with mushrooms on it. Also, these guys here, it came with that BioCube. Really hadn't done much, but pretty cool. Under the light, it gets fluorescent. And then we have a piece of pulsating zinnia. I mean, you gotta just check this stuff out. Kind of has a mind of its own. Okay, then a piece of this was laying underneath that like kind of grass, I guess you want to say, and it just grew all over that, so I threw that in there. Nice purple coralline rock, good live rock. We got that kind of spaghetti stuff in there, hide the critters. We also got some growing on the back rock. There's that pulsating in here. Oh, and we have one blue small damsel. He lives in here. I think there was 3. I only see 1, so they're getting eaten up little by little. They're dying off. I'll have to replenish them. So 1 fish. So anyway, there's the frag tank, and also some small pieces that I snipped off and just glued them on the plugs, and they'll start growing. They'll cover all those plugs. Anyhow, this is Dave DeForge signing out. That's my saltwater reef tanks. If anybody's ever interested in doing some kind of reef tank, it's really not that hard. This is the salt that I use. I just use this right here, Red Sea Coral Pro, about maybe 50-60 bucks for a 5-gallon. I've got my small scale right there. I've got my little setup right here where I've got a heater, I've got a pump, I've got just some selenonated detectors there that tell you that you need to be around 33 or 0.26 or something like that for reef, and just some small buckets and all that other stuff. So, and that's it, man. So, suggest you guys, if you have a chance to start your own tank, don't be discouraged if things begin to fail. Just do your water changes. Signing out. Have a good day.